If you want to enable or disable flashlight on OnePlus 15R, then in that case you can, for example, open the control center or quick settings. There we go. And then in here we have the flashlight, which can be easily enabled or disabled if you tap on that button. You can also tap on the text itself in order to open this panel where you can adjust the brightness of the flashlight quite easily. Now, in addition to that, if you go to settings and, for example, choose to customize the plus key, then in here we can attach or bind the flashlight to the plus key as well. So then if you set it up, you can press and hold the plus key to turn on or turn off the flashlight. And not only that, if we go to accessibility and convenience, and then in here we scroll down into gestures and motions, then we can find this turn on or off flashlight with volume button when the screen is off. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.